All right, all right. I wanted to make this video, encouraging video, to encourage people that you can do this. You can trade. You can actually make money on prop firms. It is possible. If I can do it, I'm telling you, you can do it. All right. The struggle I've had with day trading over the years has just been astronomical, and working my way out of that and becoming, consistently profitable has been a journey, but it's been amazing. And yes, so I want to go over this trade that I came in, that I did today. So I'm on the 15 seconds, so you can actually see the executions here, and where I took profit, and then I actually had my stop loss set, ended up getting hit on this one candle, which is fine. And so I came in, I traded a little bit earlier than I usually do, but that's because, we were above this, the daily high from yesterday, the previous daily high, and London high was, already put in, and we were pushing down, we displaced, and then when we came back up, we hit these fair value gaps in here, and we started to reject. Okay, it was a nice tight stop loss. I was risking maybe 140 bucks. Ended up making 445 on the trade, which is great. I'll take that R&R every day, all day. All right. So pretty much once we pushed into this level right here, the previous daily high, this is where I wanted to see how price was going to react. Okay. This is where I was looking at my trade being more of like a break-even trade at this point once we pushed into this level, because I wanted to see how we would react. Once we started creating more fair value gaps coming down and respecting them and then pushing, that's when I knew that, this was going to end up being a good trade, right? We did push. I did expect this to go much further, but I knew that there was news coming at 10. I knew Trump was going to talk, so I didn't want to really be in this trade. I wanted to manage this trade nice and tight so we didn't get any major reactions off that news. So I closed in the trade, and as you can see, we took profit here. We took profit down here on this bottom candle. So we pretty much sniped the bottom with this one. And this one I took right here as we pushed under and started, creating fair value gaps just to secure profit. And then it was this candle right here that got hit, right? So that was the trade. Really, when I focus on R&R and I'm risking 140 bucks to make 400 plus, those are good trades. Okay, those are really good R&Rs because I can cover a couple of losses with these, and that's just what's been important, right? Because there are times where I try to take a trade and it ends up reversing on me, right? Because I was wrong in my analysis or whatever, right? And so keeping this R&R, 1 to 3, really 1 to 2 plus, right? 1 to 2, 1 to 2.5, 1 to 3. That's where I want to be. Okay. Yes, there's many times I have actually caught these trades and I've taken them down to the next level. Okay. And I end up with a trade like this. Now, of course, I'm sniping, entries as we go at different points of liquidity, right? I'm definitely, I take a contract here based off of market structure over here. So yeah, it doesn't end up being 1 to 8, but maybe the trade ends up being 1 to 6. Okay. Those are even amazing, right? Because it covers a ton of losses. Having this kind of mindset has been extremely helpful to me. Knowing that the 1 to 2.5, 1 to 3, knowing that I can stop being greedy around this point and start trailing my stop, really close, based off of market structure, not just random points, has been extremely helpful. Okay. And I hope this video has been encouraging. And I'm telling you, I promise you guys, if I can do this, you can. All right. So I'll see you guys in the next video.